how to put your VSCO in your IG bio. So if this video helped, please click the subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated in this channel. So right now we are in our VSCO app. What you would do first is go to that smiley face to go to your profile. You can see everything here and click on that share button. So what we would do is find the note option here. So there it is, just click on it. And oops, sorry, I made a mistake. Just go back. Just click on X1. On this X, cancel upload. And repeat the process. Click on share. And find for the note option. So there it is. Just click on it. So this will show you the link. And what you would do is click on that link and copy it. And of course, what we would do is go to our Instagram account and put it in our bio. So just like editing your bio, that's how you do it. So go to your profile and click on edit profile. So here you can type in under your bio your VSCO link. So just watch on how I could put it simply like that. So I hope this helps and thank you for watching.